Here's a beautiful 1994 C4 Chevrolet Corvette. Just came in. Nice low mile example of a 94 Corvette. This particular car we actually had, it's been 7-8 years ago we took it in on trade. A gentleman from our area here purchased it, put a few miles on it each summer, and ran out of his storage, or I should say lost his storage where it was going to be at. So he had a couple cars he brought to us to sell for him. This is one of them, and very nice car. Clean Carfax, no accident indicated, no sign of any sort of paint work as far as black paint, considering it is on a 94 and it's over 20 years old. Very nice shape yet. There's a few little bugs and little marks down in the fascia I can kind of show you, but other than that, beautiful luster to the paint. Interior's in nice shape, and it's a little over 20,000 miles. In 1994, when the Corvette came out, it does have the LT1 350 underneath the hood, 300 horse at that time, which was quite a performance engine, and still the LT1 is known as a very reliable, excellent engine from General Motors. I was also, I believe, the first year of the dual airbags, a new safety feature in the Corvettes. Also was the wraparound dash, and everything was brought within easy reach of the driver. Dual power seats, came out with a high-end leather bucket seat, extremely comfortable. I believe it was also the first year of traction control, ABS brakes. So some neat safety features in this Vette. And it is in very nice shape. All those are in working order. Also has the Bose stereo system with a cassette player. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, we're into the sun here a little bit, a little later in the afternoon. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, get a good look at this car, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can find those. Or if you got any questions on it, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Slip around here, we'll get out of the sun a little bit, get rid of some of that glare. Car is pretty much all stock from what I can see. Original wheels, original paint, original interior, no modified exhaust, anything crazy like that. Here you can start to see, we get out of that glaring, see how nice that black paint is on it. Reflection off the wall and the ceiling. Let's check out this interior. See how nice a shape the seats are in, the carpeting. This one actually is one of those, is the floor mats over the floor mats. Power windows, I believe those were also one of the first years for the express down feature on the power windows. Power mirror, power locks. Again, here you can see where the wraparound controls came into effect in the 94s. It does have the manual 6-speed transmission. One of the only kind of decisions people made when it came to ordering the Vette, it seemed like, was whether it was going to be a manual or an automatic. This particular one does have the 6-speed manual, which I think is the way she should go. See, there's no rips and tears in the seat. Just your typical, just the leather and how it kind of wrinkles like a new pair of shoes or a leather jacket. It's not worn or torn, just typical wear from sitting in it. It's a very comfortable interior in this car. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and check out the miles on it. See how easily it starts. All the gauges and everything work. Close the door so that light goes out. Seatbelt light, you can see there's no indicator lights of any kind on. There's the miles, 21,871. All the lighting works down here. Automatic climate control also on this car. Set the temperature, put it on auto. AC does blow cold. I had it out a little bit ago trying it. There's your Bose system with AM, FM, and this one actually has CD in it, as well as cassette, which you'll find in some of the mid-90s cars when they were switching from the cassettes over to the CDs. Here's your dual power seats. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Again, no crazy exhaust, nothing like that on it. Again, those still pictures, you want to check out that interior, look it over close. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second and pop this hood open so you can see how clean this engine bay is, hear how smooth this engine runs. Alright, there we got the hood popped. Take a look at that. You can tell this was a well cared for, adult owned, stored inside Corvette, no doubt about that. See how clean it is underneath the hood. Check out underneath the car too, same with the undersides. Also hear how smooth that LT1 runs. So there you go. 1994 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. That does have the removable top too, of course. That is not the clear or plexiglass one. It is a black, matches the body color top that can be removed. Chevrolet Corvette, 1994, a little over 20,000 miles, about 21 some thousand and odd miles. Clean Carfax. Doesn't look like it's ever had any paperwork to it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or once again, those pictures that you can check out underside engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com.